Today, let's discuss the uphill climb, which is a reality of an Amazon business. Hey, this is Rochelle, and welcome to multiple passive streams of income. 2020 was my first almost full year of success selling private label on Amazon. I say almost full year because I didn't start seeing the results from a successful product until the second quarter of 2020. Now, I've documented on this channel that I started my Amazon journey with credit cards because, frankly, I didn't have another choice. And early on, I was able to utilize no interest offers that were available on my credit cards. But what I didn't expect was failing at the first 3 products, which set me back tremendously, not only in money, but in time, because those products were never profitable. So those 12 to 18 month interest-free offers were expired or expiring when the results of the successful product finally materialized. Then I experienced 2020 Q4 for the first time, which was absolutely mind-blowing. And when I tell the story, I'm quite sure people who hear it interpret this part of the story as she lived happily ever after. But that's not how it works. So when the payments came in from the fabulous Q4, I threw all that money back to the credit card balances. But I immediately had to reorder and charge the credit cards again. So since my products take 1 to 2 months to manufacture and another 1 to 2 months to ship, I was out of stock for most of the products' color variations after Q4. And I was out of stock for the most part the first 3 months of the year. So now that I'm currently in stock with another reorder close to being manufactured this month, and hopefully on its way to Amazon by May, this reorder happens to have 2 new products. So that'll bring the total products to 4. So I'm hoping to be fully in stock by July. Then I'll do product launches for the 2 new products and obviously PPC optimization. And the goal is to be nicely positioned for Q4 2021. Now, Amazon's storage limitations have caused a greater out-of-stock frequency to happen, along with longer shipping times now, longer logistics when the inventory reaches Amazon's warehouses. So these out-of-stock situations lessen my rankings, and when I'm finally back in stock, it takes so much extra money and time to re-rank. So this makes the uphill climb steeper. When these occurrences happen, it's like being on a treadmill and someone keeps increasing the incline. Selling on Amazon is a tremendous opportunity, but I want to always be truthful about the journey. So unless you have a lot of money at your disposal, you're going to climb uphill on your journey as well. So I know I have to stay in stock and implement different practices to do so, and I'm working on that. I hope after 2021 Q4, all the credit card balances are paid in full, but I also know I'm going to need to recharge those credit cards for new inventory. So hopefully by staying in stock, I increase my sell-through rate, and then I don't have to re-rank again. And hopefully by the end of 2022, I have enough profits to not have to charge credit cards for new inventory, but utilize the profits for inventory moving forward. It's a vicious cycle because while you're maxed out credit-wise, no one wants to give you more credit or limited interest-free credit. But when you have very little debt, then these offers are plentiful and can be utilized the way I first envisioned. So I'm hoping to get there by the end of 2022. We'll see how it pans out, and you know I will detail it here. The good, the bad, the ugly, each step of the way, so you always know the truth and are aware of all possibilities, whether they're positive or negative. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please click the notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified when I drop videos. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.